Hello everyone, in this tutorial I discuss about photoelectric effect. First, consider a quarters glass vacuum tube with two metal electrodes, which is anode and cathode, a photocathode and an anode, okay, which are connected exactly to a voltage supply, okay. But here is a condition: applying a positive voltage to the anode, okay, means positive voltage applied to the anode and to helps collect more electrons and increase the current until it saturated, because all the photo emitted electrons have been collected. So if I draw this figure, then it would be like here is the quarters tube, that's the quarter tube where a anode and a cathode, okay. This after it's connected with voltage, so this is the cathode and this anode. After that, here is a voltage source, okay, negative side connected to the cathode and positive side connected to the anode. So here is a ammeter and current. After that, light emitting, okay. So after this emitting electrons like from here to here, and this is the quarters tube, that's the quarters tube. So recall that when an electron of different voltage, its potential energy changes by EV, okay. When a negative voltage is applied to the anode, here applied to the anode, then applied to the anode, and the electron has to do work to get to this electrode, okay. So the results from the photoelectric experiment is like here is the negative voltage from positive and is current. So the saturation is like that. This is I2 and this is I1. That's the saturation. After that, here is minus V03, minus V02 and minus V01. That's V0 and that's I. After that, the saturation like Okay. But we know that potential energy gained by the electron is just kinetic energy loss. So the equation like, though the kinetic energy loss, that means EV naught equal half MEV square. That's the kinetic energy, where V is the velocity and KEM is the kinetic energy. After that, the KEM is the difference of HV minus HV naught. Okay, where H is the Planck's constant and its value is H equal 6.626 गुण 10 to the power minus 34 joule second. So that's the photoelectric effect equations. Thank you everyone.